Hi everybody, it's Dr. Kennedy here at Van Every Family Chiropractic, and today I'm going to give you a little rundown about essential oils and maybe some questions that you've been having about them. So we do sell essential oils through our office, and we also have a deal running right now where we are selling this pedal diffuser, and which comes with two little bonus oils, wild orange and lavender. So, some of the benefits of aromatherapy. So, aromatherapy uses obviously the smell to influence our mood and our health. So, the smell sense is directly connected to the area of the brain that deals with memories and some emotions. So, you know that when you walk past a bakery that you grew up next to, you just know that smell. You know how your children smell. You know how your partner smells. You have certain smells that make you happy, certain smells that make you sad. So aromatherapy uses our sense of smell to influence our health. So some essential oils can be used for different things. So one way to use essential oils is to diffuse them. So diffusing can allow an entire room to be used for aromatherapy, and that's what this diffuser is used for. You can also use it topically, which means that you can put a little bit on your skin or onto a piece of jewelry that's for essential oils, like something porous. That will allow the oil to seep in and sit, and you can use that oil throughout the day. Um, so different oils have different properties. So one of the properties of some of the oils is uplifting. So uplifting oils are mostly citrus. So this wild orange that comes with the pedal diffuser, that is an uplifting oil. Other oils, there's a citrus bliss blend that I know we diffuse a lot in the office. Lemon and lime are also very good for uplifting as well as cleaning, adding to a cleaning solution. If you use thieves oil is actually really good for cleaning as well. Um, some other uh, some other uses are for respiratory health because you know you're breathing in those smells. So some oils that really open up the airways, allow us to breathe better, are Douglas fir, lavender, and eucalyptus. I use lavender and eucalyptus personally in my house all of the time. And I know that lavender is pet safe. So some oils are pet safe and some are not. You need to make sure to research those before you diffuse those around your pets. Some other uses for oils and aromatherapy is relaxation. I know our massage therapists, some of them use essential oils for relaxation, and lavender is really good for that as well. Another blend that we sell, Deep Blue, is really, really good for relaxation. We also have a Deep Blue rub that's used for muscle healing. So if you have any questions about our essential oils, we can give you some more information. And if you're interested in the pedal diffuser with the bonus oils, just let us know at the front desk when you check in or check out, and we can place an order for you. Have a great rest of your day.